Comment 692 is a reminder for people who are starting out in algebra that when you're solving equations and you're using red dudes, don't forget that those red dudes are allowed to involve algebra. So what I'm talking about here is a couple of scenarios. First of all, when you are in a dilemma, when I say choose red dudes that get rid of all the material surrounding x until x is by itself, you're in a dilemma because you don't know which x to look at. And what I'm telling you is a red dude involving algebra can tackle that. If you subtract 3x from both sides, that stays. That becomes a 5x. That stays. But that minus that is 0. So now you have one fewer x to look at. So red dudes that involve algebra are very, very useful. Here's another example. Here I'm adding x. And then you're away. Now it's not just about double appearances of x. In this case, there's no reason not to apply the general advice that a red dude of timesing a fraction by its denominator is very useful. It's just that that denominator is an x, that's all. And then you're away. So you suddenly go from something confusing and mistake-causing to something that is very simple indeed. So the general principle is 692, red dudes can involve algebra. Now if you get this comment a lot, that is something you should pay attention to by doing a lot of practice on equation solving, and also by including this principle of comment 692 on any algebra summary poster that you develop as part of your revision.